Namaskar everyone, welcoming you to the sixth part of the Marma. Today we are going to talk about stress and confidence. Two different areas, two extreme ends. Stress, we know why it happens. The reason is we have certain desires, aspirations, interests, and somehow we find that those things are not happening the way it should be happening or in the manner that we have decided it to happen. Certain areas are not fulfilled, thus we feel the stress happening within us. Now the symptoms of stress would be what we have covered earlier, like migraine, headaches, neck problems, areas which create congestion, cough and cold are also part of the stress area only. Confidence, on the other hand, is something where I know I can recover it. I can work towards a positive way to attain my goals. For that, we definitely require to know what my goals are in the initial levels. The first point we will be doing here is the stress. The core areas which will get jammed up if you find that somebody is under stress, somebody is angry, somebody is shouting, he will always have a short breath. But there are subtle stress also which does not show that there is a shortage of breath, but definitely it creates a tension in and around the neck area, the jaw area, the back of the neck, back of the head, forehead. So you always find that something heaviness is there within your body. You always feel tired, you feel lethargic. And the areas we are going to cover today are concerned with that. The first point we know, when I move my head from here to here, a certain area is getting touched. So we are not going to touch the throat area directly. So certain area is going to touch. The point where it is touching, if I just go to the edge of it and make 2 points, that 2 points are covered as Kala Dashtra and Maru. The Kala Dashtra is just one finger. That means from my jaw point, if I just take 2 fingers to the side, and when I bring my head down, I find that it's touching 2 points. These 2 points are known as Kala Dashtra and Maru. These 2 points create that stress for us. Now when I am activating them, it becomes peaceful. The blockage within them is created from the Sambha Tharu and the Mruga Dashtra, that means from the jawline. So when I move at the ends of the jaw, not from under the ear, just when you go at the jawline, there is a protruding bone structure there. When I move, that's the only thing which is moving. So that's the jawline. That point where it hurts, that is called the Sambha Tharu at the right side, the Mruga Tharu at the left side. Now that's a connective point for us. Third is the jaw point, the chin area we said. Now when I am looking at this point, jaw point, so how do I activate this? If I am using this, so the first thing is I have to move my head down. Both the fingers would be there. The right hand, index finger as well as the middle finger. I am using this point, moving the head down. Hold the breath, inhale and hold. Keep on pressing it till you feel that that's the maximum you can go, then release it. Repeat it 3 times. We find that these 2 points will become relaxed. The throat area gets relaxed automatically. Another is we find that jaw gets stuck. Jaw area is getting stuck. That also works fine here. Now here I have to go, let's say I have a particular problem on the right side or the left side. We find that a lot of times we don't sleep properly and somehow we have a neck problem there. Now assuming that there is a problem at the right side, what I have to do is I have to move to the opposite side. Press it this side as much as possible. Bring the head down. If it's on the right side, I will be doing it on the left side. If it's on the left side, I will do it on the right side. Same thing. Here I will be again using only the right hand, not the left. So I am moving here. You will find out the strain is happening at the collarbone areas, which is affecting your clavicle areas also. So this helps you. This also works to relieve you of the pain from the spondylitis. So it works. Now here I am going to use 2 points. One was the point we used in the clue. Second is the chin point. So the clue point will be the left. using this to moving the head back and putting the pressure both sides. So on the forehead also as well as the chin. So release. All those people who have neck problems should not put too much force, pressure. You should do lying down on the bed with a pillow. Very soft pillow so that the pressure doesn't happen in the neck. Now, when we talk about these areas, this will automatically release the stress slowly. For building up the confidence, we have to work on this area. That means from the tip of the nose to the jaw area and then down. This is a triangle formation for us. So when I am moving from this point, that means what we did earlier, the Mritashapa, this point, when I am touching it, I am using the point thumb. So both the fingers are there, I am using both the fingers to touch this point, using the thumb to put it on the chin. Same thing I am doing it here, and then pushing it down. So when you inhale, bend the head down, press it. Hold it till a point you can feel comfortable, then release. Same thing, do it again. And 5 times. Now bring these things hand, bring it at the tip, under the nose, press it. This also has to be repeated 5 times. Over these 5 steps, you have to tap it with these 2 fingers. And then just under the point where the nose is joining. So here you have to press it. 1, release. 2, release. 3, release. 4, release. 5, release. That pressing has to be done with the middle finger. This is for development of the confidence. The earlier 2 steps were for the stress. Thank you very much. Namaskar.
Awaken your spirit. Come, be a part of this profound journey toward enlightenment.